Picture this. You're scrolling through YouTube earnings reports, seeing creators pulling in six figures monthly, and you automatically assume they're chained to their desks for 14 hours every single day. But what if I told you there's a creator making over $500,000 per month, working just 4 hours daily? And what if I told you that with the right AI tools, you could build a similar lifestyle while spending even less time on actual content creation? Today, I'm going to reveal the secret that successful YouTube creators don't want you to know: how to leverage artificial intelligence to work less while dramatically increasing your earnings. By the end of this video, you'll discover exactly how to automate your entire content creation process using tools like TubeMagic AI, and I'll show you a complete tutorial on how to implement this system immediately. The traditional YouTube grind is broken. Most creators are trapped in an endless cycle of brainstorming video ideas, writing scripts, researching keywords, and optimizing titles and descriptions. They're spending 60 to 80 hours per week just to maintain their upload schedule, burning out faster than they can scale their income. There's a better way. The revolution happening right now is AI-powered content creation. Smart creators are discovering that artificial intelligence can handle the most time-consuming aspects of YouTube content creation while maintaining quality and authenticity. Instead of spending hours brainstorming your next video topic, you can generate dozens of viral-worthy ideas in minutes. Instead of struggling with script writing for hours, you can produce engaging, well-structured scripts in seconds. This isn't about replacing your creativity or unique voice. This is about amplifying your natural talents while eliminating the tedious tasks that drain your energy and steal your time. When you remove the friction from content creation, you can focus on what truly matters: building deeper connections with your audience and scaling your business. Let me introduce you to the game-changing tool that's transforming how creators approach YouTube: TubeMagic AI. This platform handles everything from initial concept to final optimization, and it's available for a fraction of what most creators spend on freelancers or agencies monthly. Here's how TubeMagic revolutionizes your workflow. First, video ideation becomes effortless. Instead of staring at blank pages wondering what to create next, TubeMagic analyzes trending topics in your niche and generates dozens of potential video concepts tailored to your audience's interests. These aren't generic suggestions either. They're data-driven ideas based on what's actually performing well on the platform right now. The script generation feature is where the magic really happens. You feed TubeMagic your video concept, and within moments you have a complete, engaging script that follows proven YouTube storytelling frameworks. The AI understands pacing, hooks, value delivery, and call to actions that actually convert viewers into subscribers and customers. But it doesn't stop there. TubeMagic also optimizes your titles using the same psychological triggers that top-performing videos use to grab attention in crowded feeds. You'll never again wonder if your title is compelling enough, or worry about whether you're missing crucial keywords that could boost your discoverability. The description and tags optimization is equally powerful. TubeMagic analyzes your content and generates comprehensive descriptions that improve your search rankings while including strategic tags that help YouTube's algorithm understand and promote your videos to the right audience. What makes this approach so powerful is the compound effect. When you can produce quality content consistently without the usual time investment, you create momentum that builds on itself. More videos means more opportunities for viral hits. More consistent uploads means stronger audience engagement. Better optimization means improved algorithmic performance across your entire channel. The financial impact is immediate and dramatic. Instead of hiring multiple freelancers for ideation, scripting, and optimization, which could easily cost hundreds or thousands of dollars monthly, you get all these services integrated into one affordable platform. The time savings alone are worth far more than the subscription cost. Consider this. If you're currently spending 20 hours per week on content creation and you value your time at $50 per hour, you're investing $1,000 worth of your time weekly into content production. TubeMagic can reduce that time investment by 70% while improving your content quality and performance. This creates a beautiful leverage effect. Less time spent on production means more time available for business development, audience engagement, or simply enjoying the freedom that brought you to content creation in the first place. You're not just saving time, you're reclaiming your life while building a more profitable business. The subscription model is incredibly creator friendly. Unlike hiring individual freelancers or agencies that charge per project, TubeMagic offers unlimited usage for one low monthly fee. You keep 100% of your increased earnings while paying only a tiny fraction of what traditional content creation services cost. This is the future of content creation. The creators who adapt early will build massive advantages over competitors still stuck in manual workflows. While others struggle with writer's block and optimization confusion, you'll be consistently producing optimized content that performs better and generates more revenue. The best part? You maintain complete creative control. TubeMagic enhances your natural abilities rather than replacing them. You're still the unique voice and perspective your audience loves. You're just removing the barriers that prevent you from sharing that voice consistently and effectively. Ready to transform your YouTube workflow and start working less while earning more? Click the link in the description below to watch my complete tutorial on maximizing TubeMagic AI for your channel. I'll walk you through every feature, show you my exact optimization strategies, and give you access to try the platform yourself. Your future self will thank you for making this decision today.